Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue voice control is not working or Google Assistant is not working. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select the settings icon. Go to device preferences. Then select Google Assistant. So here we have to turn on Google Assistant. If this is off, right now it is off. If it is off, voice control won't work. So we have to enable Google Assistant. We have to turn on this. So that way we can fix that issue. Let me turn on. Select continue. Select allow. Select continue. Select yes. Done. So this way we can turn on Google Assistant and fix that issue. Voice control is not working or Google Assistant is not working. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.